Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm bringing to you a autumn winter Pretty Little Thing haul. So I've been planning to do a Pretty Little Thing haul for a very long time. So I'm kind of glad we have this second lockdown, so as it's given me the chance to do it. So yeah, I literally love some of these pieces. I literally can't wait to show you. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start at this end because these are just some basics. So the first thing I got was this cream Pretty Little Thing Slogan T-Shirt. On the site this was stated oversized, so I did just get a small, so I didn't need to up my sizing, and I think this was £10, so it was pretty cheap, pretty decent for a little t-shirt. I just got this because I've been wanting a cream t-shirt for a while now, and I feel like cream is a really nice colour to wear in autumn winter because it's a neutral, and I feel like you can style a lot with it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's a nice material as well. I sometimes feel like some Pretty Little Thing items can be a bit like off with its material, but I think this is actually quite nice. The second item I've got is this really cool, it says New York, California, oh no, it says New York Champion, sorry. And it's in this really nice rust colour. You'll see a bit more better later when I try them on, but I really love this. This wasn't oversized, so I did size up to a medium, and I think this was... yeah, this was £15. So again, it's not too bad for the pricing. I thought it was pretty cheap for a long sleeve t-shirt. Anyway, I really love this. It just gives me proper vintage vibes. If you know me, I really love a little vintage like t-shirt or jumper or hoodie or something. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I just think with some leggings and some like chunky boots, this would look so cool as a little look for autumn and winter, or equally just something to chill out in the house. So now that I've tried this on, I've kind of just realised that the arms are a bit weird. They're like baggy here, but for some reason they're like tight here. I don't know if that would concern anyone, but for me it kind of does. It doesn't concern me, but like it bothers me. I think it's a bit weird, so I'm not actually sure if I'll keep this now. And the material, to be fair, is just a little bit irritating. So yeah, not really sure if I'll keep it. Okay, so I got another long sleeve t-shirt. I did actually think this was grey on the site. It did say chocolate, so I was a bit confused because on the image it did look very much grey, and I'm sure it does very much look grey on the camera right now, but it is actually kind of like an off grey browny colour, which, to be honest, I don't mind. It actually says, I don't know how you say this word, don't at me, like I don't know how you say it, Wyoming. And then it says, oh, I actually don't know what it says. Laramie Mountains, I think. I have no idea. But yeah, I just really like the eagle on it, everything on it. I thought it was really cool. Again, I'd probably wear the same thing as the other t-shirt, some cool like leggings or joggers with some chunky shoes and a big like puffer jacket or something. I think that would look really cool. So like the other long sleeve top, these sleeves are actually the same. So again, I'm not really sure if I'll keep this, but I do think it is really cute and trendy, so I may just get a picture in it. And that was £15, by the way. They're the same pricing. Okay, so now for a sweater. I really like this, to be fair. I'm not actually a big fan of navy blue, but I did just really like the style of the slogan. It did give me very much vintage vibes again. I keep going on, everything looks so vintage these days. But yeah, I did really like this, and I thought this would look so sick with some black leggings and some white Nike Air Forces, and maybe even a black puffer jacket. Again, I just think this is such a cute little thing to have in your wardrobe for autumn and winter. I got this in a size medium. I wanted to size up, and I think this was, let me check the pricing. This was £18, so again, pretty good pricing for a sweatshirt, and it's actually really nice material. PrettyLittleThing has kind of surprised me here, and it's really nice inside. It's got a really nice fleece material inside there instead of kind of like the sweatshirt material. So yeah, really cute, going to be really nice and cozy for this autumn and winter. This next item I just think is so cute. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, even if I don't keep that, I really want to just pick it up, see what it looks like. So I got this really cute lilac cropped jumper, and it's got gingerbread men all over it with candy canes. I just thought this was so cute, and like this could make such a nice little casual outfit for Christmas Day, or even just to lounge around in the house. It's actually really nice and thick. I got this in a size small. I didn't feel like I needed to size up with this because it's cropped. I feel like sometimes if you buy things in there like a bit oversized, it doesn't really feel right. So I wanted to get my size here, size small. And this was £15. So I actually think this is a really good price for this. Again, like I said, it's really nice thick material. I just think it's so cute. I'm not really sure whether I'll keep it yet, just because I'm a bit tight on money at the moment, but I think this is so cute, so it will probably sway me to keep it. So yeah, I just think it's really cute. Like, oh, I love lilac as well, so I can't wait to wear this for Christmas. Okay, so just for a little bit of a like reference, this jumper is actually just a little bit snug on my arm, so I may actually get a size medium. So if you're looking to get this, then I would suggest to size up. Okay, hi, sorry, I just had a little quick change because it's actually quite warm in my house, so I needed something a bit more breathable than a jumper, and the battery on my camera was kind of running out, so I needed to quickly charge it for a bit. But I'm back. Okay, so the next thing I got were these grey joggers. These are really nice material, actually. I'm quite surprised. I've got these in a size 8. I'm actually tall. I would fit in the tall section because I'm 5'8", but I got these in the main collection, and I actually think they'll be okay for me, because sometimes I get joggers or like trousers and they're actually too long for me, which kind of doesn't make sense. Maybe I just don't have very long legs, I'm not really sure, but hey ho. But these are really nice. I actually really rate these, and I actually quite like the bottom of it. I prefer them where they have I think this is like cuffed, because sometimes you get joggers and they're just like the little ruched. I never know how you say that word. Is it ruched? I think it's ruched. You know, when it's like a little just like around it. But I actually prefer this kind of cuffed look. I don't know why. It's just personal preference, to be fair. But yeah, I got these in a size 8. I believe these were £12. So yeah, I think that's a really good price for a pair of these, and especially because I got a discount off of this, so I think I even got these for like £9, so which is really decent. And I actually got a black pair, the exact same too, which is what I'll show you next. These kind of feel even better material, to be fair. I don't know how, but yeah, exact same pair of joggers. They're so comfy, like they actually feel really nice. Sometimes you get some joggers and they just don't feel very nice material, but I'm actually really happy with these. I'll also link everything that I've got here down below, just in case if you want to go and buy them for yourself. But yeah, also picked these up in a size 8. Okay, so the next thing I got was actually a set. I think this is really cute. Again, Christmas vibes. It's this cropped grey and pink hoodie with a drawstring here, and oh no, it doesn't have that. And yeah, so I thought this was really cute. It's knitted. I got this set in a medium. Maybe they didn't have a small, or maybe I just wanted a medium. Actually no, I think I got a medium because on the model in the picture she was wearing a small, and she was a 5'6", and she was 5'6" in height, sorry. And yeah, so obviously she was a bit smaller than me. I think even maybe smaller than that, maybe like 5'5", I don't know. And she had thinner legs than me, obviously, so yeah, I think I sized up in this. And yeah, this comes with a pair of leggings. The only thing I'm not really 100% about is this waistline bit, this like the drawstring bit, I don't know, maybe it looked a bit better when it's on, but I'm not gonna lie, the quality of this isn't like as good as I thought it was. Like the hoodie's better than these because it's actually got a hitch in the back, which is a bit annoying. But they are really cute, and they have like the pink and grey slogan bit at the bottom, and they've kind of got like these ribbed kind of cuff as well, and it's got that on the bottom of the hoodie and on the bottom of the sleeves. But yeah, I did think this was really cute, so I kind of just wanted to buy it just to see what it was like. But I do just think that this waistline is a bit naff. It feels very thin compared to like the thin material compared to the rest of it. But we'll see what that looks like when it's on. But yeah, other than that, it looks really nice. So yeah, I think we'll just have to wait and see what it looks like on. Okay, so this is the set on. I do really like this hoodie, but unfortunately these trousers just aren't doing anything for me. Like I said, this bit here, like the waistline bit, is just really thin, and I just don't really understand why. It's literally just got like a drawstring in it, and it's not even like, it's not being like lined or anything, and I just think it's really weird. Like I don't really understand why it's like that, but it is really cute anyway. But I just think it's a little bit like impractical because it just kind of like comes out a bit. Like I just don't really understand. Like, what are you doing? So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. I'll probably return it, which is a bit of a shame because I did think it looked really cute. Okay, so the last thing I got was these disco pair of leggings. I don't know why, but I've literally been wanting a disco pair of leggings for like a really long time now. I don't know why. I feel like I saw a picture on Pinterest and they were wearing kind of these type of leggings with like such a cool like jumper and like Nike Airs. Like, well, that's what I vision in the outfit anyway. And I feel like I just vibed with that look, and ever since I was just like, I really need some leggings. So I got these disco leggings. They actually look a little bit small. I did get these in a size 10, but they feel quite stretchy, so when I try them on, they should be okay. I've also just realised that I didn't mention the price for this. It was actually £30, I believe. I'll double check that, but I do think it was £30. Yeah, the set was £30, so I personally wouldn't pay that money just for this. If I was just doing an order just for one thing, I wouldn't pay that much money. I would pay it with discount though, so I probably paid 25 maybe, I'm not really sure. But even with that, like, I think 25 max is how much I would pay for it, but I wouldn't pay 30 quid for it at all. And these were, sorry, I keep having to pick up my phone. These were 15, so yeah, like, I think that's all right for these. Maybe could have been a little bit cheaper, maybe like 12, but I think they were okay. They're not like really thick material, but I don't really know what I was expecting if it was just going to be leggings anyway. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what these are like. I think I got these, did I say that I got these in a size 10? Yeah, I got these in a size 10, if I didn't say already. Yeah, I would probably wear this with probably this jumper, to be fair. I'm not a big fan of black and blue together, but like this kind of style jumper with some Nike Airs and like a puffy jacket would look so sick. Like, I'm just here for all the cool and casual outfits this winter. Like, it's just a vibe. Okay, so that wraps this video up. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up from PrettyLittleThing. Definitely think that I picked up a little bit of a variety of things. I know it wasn't a lot, but you know, I'm not really here to break the bank. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos that you'd like to see me do in terms of hauls, any other kind of style videos. I'm not really sure, whatever you fancy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.